आज 5 सितंबर 2024 को आप यौम उसातिज़ा मना रहे हैं। इससे पहले कि टीचर्स डे के हवाले से मैं मुख्तसरन आपको कुछ जानकारी आपके सामने रखना चाहता हूँ।
ألم نشرح لك صدرك ووضعنا عنك وزرك الذي
And we shall attend here to deliver a speech on this special occasion of Teachers' Day. I would like to start by wishing all my respected teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. It is because of your hard work and dedication that we as a student born and grow into a better person every day. They play a big role in building the character of students. They give us knowledge, believe in us, and help us achieve our dreams. On behalf of all students, I would like to thank all the teachers for their tireless efforts. They make to give us knowledge and
Teachers, Assalamualaikum. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day to show our love and respect for our teachers. Teachers are the ones who help us understand new.
Today is a special day. It is Teachers' Day, a day to say thank you to our wonderful
शफ़क़त भी है, इल्म की दौलत भी है, और तेरी दुआओं से हर कदम इज़्ज़त भी है। हमें हौसला